Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile 5G home internet plans in 2026, including the Relay, Amplified and All-in-One and the key differences between them. So if you are trying to choose the best plan for your home internet, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you know which one offers the best value. So T-Mobile currently offers three main 5G home internet plans. All of them include the unlimited data, simple setup, and no long-term contracts, but they differ in speed, features, and pricing. So let's first of all start with the Rely plan, which is the basic option. So this plan is designed for the people who want affordable home internet for everyday use like streaming, browsing, and the video calls. It includes unlimited data and a 5G gateway device for Wi-Fi. The pricing typically starts around $50 per month and lower if you bundle it with the T-Mobile phone line. Next plan is the Amplified Home Internet or the Amplified plan. So Amplified includes everything from the Rely plan, but it adds faster performance and upgraded Wi-Fi equipment, which helps support more devices in the home. It usually costs $60 per month or less than bundled with a mobile plan. Finally, we have the all-in-one plan. So this plan includes the fastest speeds and the extra benefits such as the advanced security features, expanded Wi-Fi coverage with a mesh extender and additional tech support. Some versions of the plan also include streaming perks and the extra service benefits. The pricing typically starts with $70 per month or lower with the bundle discounts. Now, in terms of internet speed, most of the customers across these plans usually see the speeds roughly between about 130 Mbps to 400 Mbps depending on the location, signal strength, and the network traffic. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.